please. Everybody get down to the seats, please. Put your umbrellas down.
Mr. President, Mrs. Hoover, ladies and gentlemen, it is my great pleasure as President of the Ohio Valley Improvement Association to officially open the services in dedication of the completion of the canalization of the Ohio River. It is my further pleasure to introduce Mr. Edwin C. Gibb, Chairman of the Executive Committee of the Ohio Valley Improvement Association.
First, may we all bow our heads in prayer to be led by the Reverend J.J. Castleberry. Ladies and gentlemen, the Ohio Valley Improvement Association was formed in Cincinnati in October 1895 at a meeting called by our Chamber of Commerce, which was attended by delegates representing the 6 states bordering the Ohio River.
Ladies and gentlemen, the President of the United States.
Governor Cooper, Your Honor the Mayor, my fellow citizens, it is a great pleasure for me to share in the dedication of this monument, glorifying for all time the completion of the canalization of the Ohio River. The engineering mind, of which I have again had some suggestion in the last few moments, and about which we see a good deal in the press, here comes to the surface and luxuriates in appreciation of a great engineering job well done. And I notice further tributes to the engineers this morning from your mayor, for apparently it is through the incorporation of the engineers that Cincinnati has made political progress. This new instrument of commerce, from which I'm told blessings will come year after year, is an enduring monument to those patient men, those men of business and of leadership in your community, and to my own profession, whose lives are spent in devising means to increase the comfort and the convenience of the world. Men of every mold have wrought with equal bravery in this transformation of the wild beauty of the Ohio into a not less beautiful but more practicable stream of today. It reflected not only the clarity of mind of which your senator has endowed all public issues for a whole generation, but also the broad humanity of his spirit that dwelt with a special concern upon the problems of equity involved and upon the welfare of the whole people of the men and women of our country for whose benefit this program was primarily undertaken. This monument will ever remind our people of a great accomplishment of Cincinnati. Thank you.